Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how I built a Bangla sentiment analysis model. First I loaded, set up all the environment here, and then in the second part I load the library and open dataset. I show a few so we can see the reviews and tables. Here's the reviews, review text, sentiment, emotion. This is an example of our whole data set, and we have 2000 data set means 2000 lines, and there's all the 2000 line include sentiment, emotion. It's like neutral, disappoint. The emotions are we have all emotions are like the general emotions, with disappoint, angry, sad, neutral, and the sentiments we have neutral, negative, and the positive part. Then in the part 3 is for the Bangla text by removing links, English characters, numbers, and extra symbols. I also convert the tables into 0 and 1. Here's what is happening here is that the table is converting 0 and where the negative means 1 and the negative means 0 and the positive means 1. Then the part 4, then I check all the data by plotting how many positive and negative reviews there are and how long the reviews usually are. And here I also use the tokenization part and train the value by testing and splitting. And here we have shown some graph, and here's I'm going to elaborate all the graphs. We have the sentiment distribution, which can elaborate how the sentimental part divides, or the sentimental part occurs, like negative and positive part. Then I have the text length characters, review text length, and then the review length distribution tokenization, and then in the next part finally in the next part I have shown some after that I trained 3 RNN models. In part 5 I trained 3 RNN models, a small one, a good one, and a big one. It's like the overfitting, underfitting, and the good part.
When we type as input Amar, then it shows the prediction level positive as sentiment. Then when we write একেবারে পছন্দ হয়নি, then the sentiment shows negative and neutral. After that, একবার দেখা যায়, it shows positive as a sentiment. As when I write অভিনয় খারাপ, then the sentiment is negative and the emotion is neutral. After that, when I write মাঝারি মানের সিনেমা, then it shows the sentiment as negative and the emotion is neutral. After that, I write খারাপ না, then it shows the sentiment as positive.